This is a short video showing you how to search the library database ABI Inform collection. So go ahead and click on Research Databases, scroll down and click on ABI Inform collection. ABI Inform is a great database to search for business topics. It has all business topics: management, logistics, marketing, finance, accounting, and more. It also provides scholarly articles, trade publications, case studies, business news, industry reports, and much, much more. So let's go ahead and do a search. I'm going to search for corporate social responsibility. Okay, this is a lot of results. You don't have to go through this many results. There are ways to limit your search. So let's look on the left side. Click here. And you can also limit by publication date. I'm going to do the last 5 years. That limited it quite a bit. We can do a couple more. Let's do document type, article. And again, you don't have to do all these. I'm just showing you what you can do. Location, United States. Language, English. Okay, so that's quite a good limit. I like ABI Inform because it gives you these suggested topics that you can add to your original research topic. Let's go ahead and look at the original one first, and then we can add one. Go ahead and click on this article, the first one. It opens up. You can see the abstract. ABI Inform also provides key takeaways. So it'll give you the main points to the article. It'll take a second. We'll go back there in a minute. This is the HTML version. I like the PDF version because that's the way it appears in the journal, the exact way it appears in the journal. So you can look at that. You can look at the references. You can download it. And that's also very helpful. Here are the key takeaways, the key points. So I would look at the abstract and the key takeaways to see if it's something that you may want to use. You can also email it to yourself. Click all options and email here. So let's go back to the results. And we'll just add one search suggestion. Let's do sustainability practices. And it limited even more. We got, let's see, we'll just pick one. Let's get this one. And it'll open it up again into the HTML, and you can click the PDF. You can read the key takeaways and read the abstract to see if it's something you want, and you can email it to yourself. You can also use the citation feature. Here's an APA citation. I would definitely check this against the APA manual. It's providing the abstract, which you don't really need in a citation. You would just need this part, but I would definitely check for accuracy. So let's go back to the results. You can, if you just have a little bit of time, you can also just click the articles and email them to yourself, the ones that you may be interested in, and you can read through them later to see if it's something you could use. And to do that, I checked 3. You can go up into this folder, click on it, and just click this email function. And that would do it. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have questions or you need help refining your search, please contact us because this database does contain a lot of information. We can help you try to find articles more specific to your topic and your research. Thank you.